One of our client, the leading provider of aircraft maintenance, repair, overhaul and modification services for civil aircraft, had grown through acquisition, resulting in a complex IT landscape. To support future growth, they needed a standard IT platform across their multiple subsidiary business that would deliver harmonized processes on a modern IT infrastructure. The business knew that standard SAP on its own did not provide sufficient industry-specific functionality and wanted key functional gaps to be met with a standard solution. We were engaged to build a new global template solution, harnessing the full functionality of the SAP ERP platform, and covering the full enterprise, including iMRO. The template development project was based on a fit-to-standard approach. This drives lower cost of ownership, while also enabling upgradeability and the rapid adoption of new innovations. Key to driving business benefits was adopting our iMRO product into the template. SAP had originally selected HCL to develop the iMRO product alongside SAP and the SUG Air Industry User Group to fill industry and functional gaps in standard SAP. The iMRO product contributed to the solution's success through fit to standard, the use of standard functionality, and the native integration of the iMRO product enabled seamless, highly integrated, end-to-end processes. Industry-specific functionality. Our iMRO product brings role-specific transactions with specialist functionality, including induction, inspection, material allocation and digital shop floor. Ease of use. The iMRO product delivers highly automated processes, with up to 95% reductions in transaction steps. Long-term sustainability. Adopting a standard solution has enabled quick rollouts to new business units, rapid evolution of the template, reduced support costs, and conversion to SAP S/4HANA, ensuring the long-term sustainability and evolution of the solution. The template has been successfully rolled out to 4 subsidiaries across 2 continents, with 1,200 business users, and the project team is making great progress on the conversion to SAP S/4HANA. Ready to transform your complex maintenance processes? Learn more. Contact us at sap@hcl.com.